Good morning, students. My name is Sujitra Tevar and I am from Ganesh Bagh Municipal School. Today, I am going to tell you about sentence formation. English is a very basic and essential language which everyone should learn in today's life. Students speak English, but many a times they make errors in sentence formation. They don't know what is the structure of a sentence, which tense they should use while making sentences, and hence they make lots of mistakes. So it is very essential that before learning a language, they should know the correct order, structure of making sentences using different words. So before starting, I would first like to tell you about the basic rules and simple 5 mantras of sentence formation. I will tell you the 5 mantras of sentence formation. First is get the words in the right order. As you all know, when we form a sentence, each sentence has a particular order which one needs to follow. The order is subject plus verb plus object. It is a very simple and basic order. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, if I am saying a sentence, the boy kicked the ball. The boy is the subject, kicked is the verb, and the ball is the object. So this is the proper order in which one should speak any kind of sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. So you can try making different sentences using this basic order, subject plus verb plus object. Second one is arranging the sentences in the proper structure. We should always arrange the sentences in the proper structure so that when we speak a sentence, it sounds to be correct. So the second rule is arranging the sentence in the proper structure language. Third rule is there are two types of object, that is direct and indirect. So sometimes in a sentence we can see two objects. So it is very essential that we arrange the sentence according to the proper order of the object. For example, if I am telling I brought some flowers for my mother, and the other way is I brought my mother some flowers. So there are two ways in which we can arrange the proper proposition of the object. So there are two types of objects, direct and indirect. So it depends how we are placing it, but either way around both the types of sentences are correct. Next is learn the exceptions of the rules. There are various exceptions which we have to follow when we form a sentence. So we should learn in which type of sentence there are certain exceptions, and when we come to a later stage, we can come to know what are the exceptions in rules which we need to follow while forming a sentence. And the fifth and the most important mantra is we should always keep on practicing, because practice brings perfection. We can attain perfection only when we keep on practicing, and we should keep practicing daily. Start from simple sentences and gradually proceed to complex and compound sentences, so that later on we learn all types of sentences, simple, compound, complex. So these are the 5 basic and simple rules which I have enlisted, which we should keep in mind while sentence formation. Now I will show you a simple teaching aid which I have prepared, which students find it very simple, funny, easy, interesting when we form sentences. Initially we should give them simple words with using which they can form various type of sentences. 1 minute. First, I have just taken a word I, a letter I. So using this, they can form different sentences. We should tell students that using this single word make different types of sentences, and this you can do when you teach them how to form sentences. You can tell them the rules which I told you. So the first sentence, I have made many different sentences, and this is a teaching aid which I have made using a paper cup. As you can see, this is a paper cup, environment friendly. This is not plastic, this is a paper cup which I have at my home. I have not brought it from shop. I had it previously, so I have used it. I have just written, I have cut it into different pieces and I have just opened it. It just looks like a flower, and I have written it I, and I have written various sentences using the same word I. For example, I have written I will go to the market. I never tell lies. I am eating carrots. I am a good girl. I like to drink milk. I go to school every day. I do my homework daily. I can be your best friend. I like to read. So these are the different sentences which I have made. They are very simple. Even children can make lots of sentences using such simple letters, or you can give additional words. Students find it very interesting. You can give them these kinds of paper cups, or you can give them different strips, or any other idea which you have. I had this idea, so I have made this. So this is my sentence chakra. You can give some name, interesting names, because students find it very interesting when we make the activity interesting for them. One more I have made we should. This is the starting. So we should tell the students that you have to make sentences using these words, we should. And what they can say, we should keep our surroundings clean. We should try to learn new things. We should help those who are in need. We should never tell lies. We should develop the habit of reading. We should keep ourselves neat and clean. We should help poor people. We should maintain silence. We should always work hard. And you can always try to make the sentences in which there are some values, good. We can teach them good habits, and indirectly we can teach them different types of good things which we can do, which they can do in their lives. And so I have made sentences in which there is inculcation of moral values, good habits like keeping our surroundings clean, never telling lies, and helping others. All these simple words sentences I have made over here, and it looks beautiful, as you can see. So you can cut the paper cups into this shape, or any other shape which you like, or any other idea which you have, and make different sentences like this. In a particular period in our class, we can use this, and we can teach them sentence formation, and gradually they will learn how to make sentences using the basic rules. And later on they will be so confident, and they start making different type of sentences on their own, and we all will be happy that our students learn English and sentence formation in this way. Not only English, I have also made for Hindi language, and it is very easy. As we all know, students learn Varnamala, and using different words, letters, they can form small words initially in English, in Hindi language also, like as in English. I have made the same type of paper cup. The alphabet is G. Using G, we can tell them to make different languages and different words, and definitely they make different type of words. See, for example, G, they can make Gagan, Ganatantra, Ganavesh, Gamla, Gardan, Gamcha, Garajna, Ganda, and these are the different words they can make. So as you can see, second one is, the alphabet is M. From M, they will give you abundance of words. M से मर्यादा, मगर, मछली, मस्ती, महाराज, महक, महान, मशाल, मतवाली. So these are the different words. आप हिंदी लैंग्वेज में भी आप ऐसे वर्ड्स बनाकर बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं. वो बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से वर्ड्स बनाना सीख सकते हैं, और ये बहुत ही आसान तरीका है जो आप बच्चों को कक्षा में बनाकर बता सकते हो, और बच्चे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. उनको ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ बहुत पसंद है. दिखने में फूलों के जैसे भी है, और बच्चे इससे सीखते भी हैं. सो दिस वॉज फॉर इंग्लिश, and this is for Hindi language. That's all for today, students. You can learn this in this method. You can learn to make sentence formation, and sentence formation is a very basic and essential step in learning English. As you learn how to make sentences, gradually you will gain confidence when you speak. You will learn how to make a sentence in any kind of situation, in any situation, any place you can learn how to make sentences. That's all for today, students. Thank you so much. Keep waiting for the next lecture which I will upload on this channel. Thank you so much. Be healthy and be safe. Jai Hind.